How to disable ads in Downhill Racer. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to remove ads or disable ads in Downhill Racer, then here are two different methods you can use. The first method is to play offline. Go to the top right corner of your screen and swipe down, and then turn on the airplane mode. Once you turn on the airplane mode, you can then go launch your game open, and then after you do this, many ads will not load and you can play the game without any interruptions. Another method you can use is to go ahead and buy the remove ads or the no ads option. From the main homepage of the game, go ahead and tap on the no ads option on the left. Once you do that, you'll need to pay $3.78 to say goodbye to interruptions from forced ads or banner ads. Simply tap on the USD option and make your payment. Once you make your purchase, your ad will be permanently removed. So that's it. That's how you can easily disable ads or remove ads in Downhill Racer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.